Welcome to Topdamic, Mechanical and Electrical. We are specialized in manufacturing different ring blowers to meet different applications. At present, TD's customers are mainly distributed in Southeast Asia, Africa, and South America, providing different blower solutions for automation control, machinery manufacturing, and other fields. We have all the advanced and necessary nests, driller, brusher, balancing machine, constant temperature over etc. to meet different industry customers' application. We own over 30 engineers and technicians. We own blower R&D production department, electric motor R&D department, vacuum pump R&D department. More about Topdamic, please visit us at www.chinaringblower.com.